Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the ultimate shark race guides. Now, there's going to be a bunch of topics here that we're going to be covering, so stay tuned for this short video. So, in the world of Blox fruits, the shark race is a popular event where players compete against each other to showcase their skills in maneuvering and speed. So, the objective of the shark race is to navigate through designed course filled with obstacles and challenges while racing against other players. So here's a breakdown of how the shark race works and what makes it exciting. So course design, the race typically takes place in a vast oceanic environment with the variety of obstacles such as rocks, whirlpools, and other hazards. The course is designed to test players' abilities to navigate through tight spaces, dodge obstacles, and utilize their characters' abilities effectively. Okay, so players who wish to participate in the shark race must first, meet certain requirements in the game, such as, reaching at a certain level or occurring specific items or abilities within the game. Basically, so this ensures that the participants are adequately prepared for the challenges they will face during the race. Before the race begins, the player have the option to choose from a selection of different sharks, which, with each its own unique characteristics and abilities. Some sharks may excel in speed, while others may have better maneuvering, defensive capabilities. So choosing the right shark just for you can significantly impact the player's chances of success, basically, in the race. And especially successful shark racers often employ various strategies and tactics to gain an advantage over their opponents. This may include studying the course layout beforehand. So this strategy is a lot more common than you think. So identifying shortcuts or optimal routes, and using power-ups or special abilities in strategic moments during the race, basically. The shark race is a highly competitive event which, with players competing against each other. It's a PvP, player versus player. Whoever come up on top will go to the leaderboard. So races can feature anywhere from handful to dozens of participants depending on the server and the popularity of the event. Players who perform well in shark races are rewarded with in-game currency items, or other valuable rewards. Additionally, top performers may earn recognition and prestige within the Blox fruits community, so further motivating players to strive for success initially in the race. So in the vast immersive world of Blox fruit, where adventure awaits at every turn, so one of the most exhilarating and competitive event is the shark race. This is really a really thrilling competition, guys. So this competition pits player against player, basically high stakes. And before delving into the intricacies of the shark race, it's essential to understand the broader context of Blox fruit. So developed by the Roblox program, Blox fruit offers a sprawling open world adventures, sets in richly detailed universe. Players embark on epic quests, basically, on this one. So especially for the noobs that are watching. So just keep in mind that the shark race really depends on skill by skill, especially if you happen to be more skillful than that of your opponent. Then you'll have, of course, the higher ground, so to say, in competing against other players in this program and the shark race. And I will always say this, and the course familiarization is very important. Studying the layout of the entire race course and identifying key landmarks, obstacles such as that, and shortcuts can provide invaluable insights into the most efficient route to victory, basically. So, especially power-up utilization, strategically developing power-ups and special abilities at opportune moments can turn the tide, basically, of the race, whether it's which one's favored, okay? Which one is favored in the race. So, providing the temporary advantages such as speed boosts or defensive shields, basically. Rivalry management, so understanding the strengths and weaknesses of fellow racers, adapting to one's tactic accordingly can help you, mitigate threats and capitalize on opportunities and advancements. Okay? And also precision maneuvering, basically. Strategically developing power-ups, basically. Yeah. And mastering precise movements and navigation is essential, really, for avoiding hazards and maintaining optimal speed throughout the race. And yeah, while the thrill of victory is its own reward, really, on this game, successful racers in the shark race can also earn tangible incentives for the efforts. Okay, we have in-game currency, rare items, and exclusive rewards await those who prove themselves worthy of glory on the race course. Moreover, top performers may garner recognition and prestige within the Blox Fruits community, earning the admiration and respect of their peers. So, as we conclude our exploration of this fantastic game, okay? So, Shark Race and Blox Fruit, it becomes evident that this captivating event transcends more competition than it embodies the spirit of adventure and camaraderie. Okay? And continues to captivate players, basically, and inspire them to push boundaries of what's possible in the game world of Blox Fruit, so as inspiring racers to take waves in pursuit of glory and greatness. One thing remains certain: the journey has only begun for a lot of players. And with every stroke of their fins, with every twist of their currents, they propel themselves towards new horizon, and horizons fueled by boundless potentials of the ocean's depth in the ever-expanding universe of Blox Fruits. So the shark race, stands as a testament to the enduring allure of adventure and limitless possibilities in the game itself. Overall, this game is a really fun game to play, and a lot of my friends are hooked up to this, including myself. So yeah, what can I say about this game? So furthermore, in the future, this will be developed, and we can't wait for that to happen. Okay, so thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.